this is the first test. This test is microphone is the Ghost Drift Mic HD. Microphone positioning is directly in front of my mouth. Microphone additions is the Dead Cat. So far it seems like a pretty quiet helmet. Definitely quieter than my necks. Pretty sure I would have been experiencing some level of wind noise even at 30 in my neck's wed. I have a feeling that this microphone's gonna be way too close to my mouth. Totally should have cut through the petrol station. Actually would have been quicker. Okay, we are at 40 miles an hour now. Let's get it up to 50. 50 miles an hour. This helmet is definitely quieter. Definitely not put the pin lock on properly because I am steaming up. Okay, this is mic test number 2. Similar setup, still using the drift mic, and we are still using the Dead Cat over it. The only difference is this time I have moved slightly the position of the mic, so instead of it being directly in front of my mouth, I was looking at the footage from yesterday, probably was a bit too close. It is now tucked behind beside my cheek pad. This is testing with visor down, only at 30 miles an hour. I'm not concerned about wind noise. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the lack of it from the last test. It's 40 miles an hour, visor shut, 40 miles an hour, visor open. Okay, this is microphone placement test number 3. I haven't been too happy yet with placement 1 and 2. Placement 1 was definitely better. The issue with placement 1, actually the mic sounded pretty good, but you could hear my breathing, and S's and T's sounded really bad. But it is the fallback if I can't find anything better. Placement 2, that was just awful. Even at 30 miles an hour you could hear wind noise, so that is a no-go. It was also quite painful to fit the helmet on with where the mic was. It would sort of brush over your temple, so yes, that was quite painful. But this is test number 3. So going from microphone placement being as far forward in the helmet as possible, now the microphone is as far forward and as low down as possible. So the X4 has this little kind of pull out sleeve, which I guess kind of acts as a wind guard, but the microphone is tucked into that, hopefully nice and out the way. 40 miles an hour with visor closed. Got a good feeling about this. 40 miles an hour with visor open. And closed again. $50 miles an hour. If this test is good, that will be the end of this video. If this test is bad, I will see you in part 4.